Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We're thrilled to have you here with us today. Today we're about to blow your minds with 25 incredible machines you can buy online right now to launch your own home business and start raking in that cash. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a budding entrepreneur, or just someone looking to make some extra income, this video is for you. We're talking life-changing stuff here, people. These machines are not just gadgets, they're tools that can transform your ideas into reality and take your business to the next level. We've got everything from three-dimensional printers, spitting out crazy creations that you can customize to your heart's content, to laser engravers that'll make your products pop with precision and style. Imagine the possibilities of personalizing items for your customers. So buckle up, smash that like button and get ready to be inspired because we're diving right in. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest content. Each of these machines has the potential to revolutionize your home business, from boosting productivity to enabling you to offer unique, customized products. These tools are essential for anyone serious about making their mark in the business world. Whether it's a vinyl cutter for creating custom decals and signs, or a heat press for designing your own apparel, these machines open up a world of possibilities. And let's not forget CNC machines that can craft intricate designs with precision, allowing you to offer high-quality products that stand out in the market. So if you're ready to take your home business to the next level, stay tuned as we explore these amazing machines and how they can help you achieve your entrepreneurial dreams. Imagine holding your product in your hand before it even exists. Three-dimensional printing, or 3D printing, makes that a reality. This technology works by layering materials such as plastic or metal to create objects from a digital file. From intricate prototypes to custom tools, 3D printing is revolutionizing home businesses. You can create personalized products, rapid prototypes, and even replacement parts. The future truly is now with this groundbreaking technology. Laser engraving is a precise method that can personalize products with intricate designs. From wood to metal, it adds a unique touch, perfect for creating custom gifts and branded items. Custom t-shirts, mugs, phone cases. If you can dream it, you can heat press it. The process is simple. Place your design on the product. Apply heat and pressure. And voila! You have a unique item. This machine can create a variety of products, making it a profitable addition to any home business. Vinyl cutters are versatile machines that can cut a variety of materials like vinyl, paper, and cardstock. Use them to create eye-catching stickers, decals, signs, and more. Perfect for customizing products and adding a personal touch to your projects. Embroidery machines use precise stitching to create intricate designs, from monograms to elaborate patterns. These machines can handle it all. Perfect for custom apparel and personalized accessories. CNC routers offer unmatched precision and versatility, perfect for woodworking, metalworking, and even plastics. They can handle intricate designs and complex tasks with ease. Custom buttons are always in demand. Events, promotions, you name it. The process is simple. Design your button, print it, and press it with the machine. You can create endless designs, from logos to personalized messages. With a button maker, the business potential is huge. Screen printing is a versatile method for creating custom apparel. You'll need a screen printing machine, inks, and screens. This technique allows for mass production, making it perfect for large orders and unique designs. Candle making is a rewarding process that starts with melting wax, adding fragrances, and pouring it into molds. You can create a variety of candles, from scented to decorative. Handmade candles are in high demand, making this a lucrative home business opportunity. Artisanal soap is all the rage. Start by measuring your ingredients, mixing lye with oils now, and pouring the mixture into molds. Once set, cut the soap into bars and let them cure, and package your unique handmade creations. Home coffee roasting is booming. Start by selecting your favorite green coffee beans. Roast them to perfection in your own roaster. Offer freshly roasted coffee to your customers and watch your profits soar. A food dehydrator offers numerous benefits, from preserving nutrients to extending shelf life. You can dehydrate fruits, vegetables, meats, and even herbs. The market for healthy snacks is booming, making this a profitable venture. Forget boring vanilla. Start by mixing fresh ingredients like milk, cream, and sugar. Use an ice cream maker to churn the mixture until it reaches a creamy consistency. Experiment with unique flavors and add-ins to create custom ice cream. Scoop your creations into cones or cups and watch the customers line up. Selling homemade ice cream can be a sweet way to boost your income. Everyone loves fresh bread. A bread maker makes it easy to bake up a storm. From kneading the dough to baking it to perfection. You can create a variety of breads like whole wheat, sourdough, and rye. The appeal of homemade bread lies in its freshness and the delightful aroma that fills your home. Making pasta at home starts with mixing flour and eggs to create dough. You can craft various types like spaghetti, fettuccine, and ravioli. Fresh homemade pasta is a hit in the market, offering restaurant-quality dishes that impress customers. And this machine unlocks the secrets to professional-grade chocolate making. Tempering chocolate involves heating and cooling it to stabilize the crystals, resulting in a smooth, glossy finish. With this machine, you can create a variety of chocolate products like truffles, bars, and pralines. The business potential is immense, as high-quality chocolate is always in demand. Get ready to indulge. Making popcorn is simple. Just add kernels and oil to the machine. You can create a variety of flavors like caramel, cheese, and spicy sriracha. The market for gourmet popcorn is booming, with people loving these tasty treats. Making cotton candy is simple and fun. Start with a commercial cotton candy machine. Pour in the sugar and watch as it spins into fluffy goodness. Collect the cotton candy on a stick and you're ready to sell. Perfect for events. Cotton candy brings joy and profits. Snow cones are always a hit, especially on those scorching summer days. The process starts with finely shaved ice, which is then molded into a perfect cone shape. Next, you can add a variety of flavored syrups, from classic cherry and blue raspberry to exotic mango and passion fruit. In hot climates, a snow cone business can be incredibly lucrative, offering a refreshing treat that customers can't resist. Fresh juice is a health craze, and you can be the one providing it. Juice extraction offers numerous benefits, from retaining essential nutrients to creating delicious blends. You can make everything from classic orange juice to exotic green juices. The market for fresh, healthy juices is booming, so get squeezing. Skip the store-bought stuff, or make delicious, healthy yogurt right at home. Simply pour milk into the yogurt maker, add the yogurt culture, and set the timer. You can create various types of yogurt, from plain to fruity flavors. Enjoy the freshness and health benefits of homemade yogurt. Craft beer is huge, and now you can brew your own signature flavors. Start with a home brewing kit that includes all the essentials: fermenters, airlocks, and ingredients like hops and malt. Follow the step-by-step process to mix, ferment, and bottle your brew. Once perfected, you can even sell your unique craft beer to local markets and online. Cheers to that. From grape to glass, create your own delicious wines with this easy-to-use kit. Start by crushing the grapes, then fermenting the juice. You can make reds, whites, and even sparkling wines. Turn your passion into profit with endless business opportunities in winemaking. Essential oils are everywhere. Tap into this booming market with your own distillery. The process involves steam distillation, where steam passes through plant material to extract the oils. You can create oils from lavender, eucalyptus, peppermint, and many more. With the growing demand for natural products, your essential oils can find a ready market. Fresh produce year-round. Hydroponics makes it possible, even without a backyard. Grow leafy greens, herbs, and even strawberries. Urban farming has never been easier or more profitable. And there you have it. 25 amazing machines that can transform your home business. You can buy these innovative tools online to kickstart your entrepreneurial journey right from the comfort of your home. Each machine offers unique benefits, from increasing productivity to enhancing product quality. Imagine the possibilities and the money you can make with these powerful machines. Whether it's a 3D printer for custom products, a laser cutter for precision work, or a packaging machine to streamline your operations, there's something for every aspiring entrepreneur. Let us know in the comments below which machine you're most excited about. We love hearing your thoughts and experiences, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more great content. Stay updated with our latest videos. We drop insane videos every week, packed with tips and tricks to help you level up your life and chase those dreams. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.